Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chemistry Step by Step with Kanika. So our today's topic of discussion is redox reactions. What are redox reactions? These are those reactions in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. What is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation is the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. In a similar way, what is the meaning of reduction? Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Now we will see with these two examples that how redox reaction is taking place in them. Let us consider the very first example, that is zinc oxide. When it reacts with carbon, what it is forming? It is forming zinc along with carbon monoxide. So we will predict here that which compound is undergoing oxidation and which one is undergoing reduction. So you can clearly see in the reactant side, zinc has oxygen attached to it. It means when it goes to product, oxygen is getting removed from it. So you can clearly see that oxygen is getting removed from zinc oxide and getting converted into zinc. It means that here reduction is taking place because here oxygen is getting removed. In a similar way, here in the reactant side, we can see that carbon is here, no oxygen is attached to it right now. But when it is converted into carbon monoxide in the product side, we can see that oxygen is getting attached with it. So we can say that carbon is undergoing oxidation here. So simply because addition of oxygen is taking place with carbon, so carbon is undergoing oxidation. Because removal of oxygen is taking place from zinc oxide, so reduction is going in zinc oxide here. So you can now see, you can also say that this is a redox reaction. Why? Because in this reaction, oxidation and reduction, both reactions are taking place simultaneously. It means we have a single reaction, but in this single reaction, both reactions, oxidation as well reduction, both are taking place at a same time. So we can say that this example is an example of redox reactions. Now come to second part, in which we can see we have taken manganese dioxide with hydrochloric acid. On reacting, what they are giving to us is manganese chloride plus water along with chlorine. Now you will see that not only addition of oxygen is oxidation or removal of hydrogen is oxidation, but you will see that in this case we have manganese oxide in which oxygen is attached to manganese only, but in product side, if we see, then this oxygen is getting removed from manganese, and what is getting attached with manganese? That is chlorine. It means you can say that oxygen is getting removed from manganese dioxide, and removal of oxygen is known as, again, it is reduction. So you can say that manganese dioxide is undergoing reduction. Also, here we can see that hydrogen is attached with what? Chlorine, right? But if we see in the product, what we see that here chlorine is attached with carbon, chlorine is attached with hydrogen, but in the product we can see hydrogen is getting removed, is getting separated from chlorine. So it means what is happening here? Hydrogen is getting removed from here. And what is the meaning of removal of hydrogen? Again, that is oxidation. So it means which one is undergoing oxidation here? HCl. So we can also see here that in this reaction also oxidation and reduction, both reactions are taking place in the same reaction, and that's why this reaction is also an example of redox reaction, because reduction as well as oxidation, these two are taking place in the same reaction. So we can see that oxidation can be defined as the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen too. Similarly, reduction can also be defined as the addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. So these two are the example for oxidation and reduction reactions, or you can say redox reactions.